Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 4 stylish tops you can make out of a long sleeved t-shirt. So we are going to wear our t-shirt and leave out the sleeves like that, and then I have some rings, just some ordinary rings I got out of a key holder, and we are going to insert them on each sleeve like that. And then I have a bigger ring, and this is how I'm going to use it. I insert both sleeves and then tie it around the neck like that. And then we are going to grab the top from the inside and tie it with a rubber band just to make the top look stylish. And that's it. We are done with our first top, and this is how it looks. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now on to our second top. We're going to use the same small rings we used on our first top, insert both sleeves, and then grab the center part of the top and tie a rubber band.
Sometimes love feels like a ride on a bus through the city. You get on thinking you know the destination, but the driver, he's got his own moods.
Now finally we're going to tie the sleeves around the neck like that, and our top is done, and this is how it looks. Now on our third top, this is what we're going to do. We're going to grab this part of the top and tie a rubber band. Then we're going to stretch it a bit to make it look kind of floral, and then we're going to take the sleeves and tie them around the neck. And that's it, our top is done. This is how it looks. And finally we are just going to untie the sleeves and then tie a knot like that, and then tie them around the neck, and we are done, and this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.
Every time you smile, the world fades away. You pull me close and I just wanna stay. Your love is like